Welcome to our YouTube family on Money Academy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting video. Let's make this journey together. I love you.
Hello friends, in this video, we will see how we can generate AI photos art with our name or with someone's name. So here are some examples on how our final images will look like. To generate AI images, you need to go to google.com and then search for bing.com. Or go to Bing directly and then open Bing. Click on Images, then click on Create and then type this command, pause video to read command. Then you can replace name with your name. And you can also replace colors with your favorite colors. And then click on Generate button and wait. And in meantime, you have to comment your country name in comments. After generating image, you can open your favorite image and then click on Download button to save that image in your phone or PC. And then we will create on more image with name Ashley. If you have any suggestion or problem, you can comment below, and thanks for watching.